needs no introduction, he goes by the name of Get, aka Gareth Dictionary.
Click, you're an island girl, cause the way that you dress so OT. You rock Vivian Westwood mixed with the vintage, got me invested, now I'm interested. Tryna make sure that the guy that you came with ain't who you lived with, cause the way you dancing, girl, it look like Paris told you. You'd be in the center of the stage if Paris or you. If you wanna just whine on me, I let you do your thing. If you wanna be royal family, I treat you like my queen.
You don't move so shy, you wanna be a star. You wanna be put on a world stage while other guys act hard. I just dance with my dogs like L.U.C.A. She ain't standing in no queue. Top floor for her view. Being bad all she got. Don't believe me, then watch. Ain't crying over no man. Glass full in her hand. Being bad all she got. Don't believe me, then watch.
Dancing, girl, it look like Paris told you. You'd be in the center of the stage if Paris or you. If you wanna just whine on me, I let you do your thing. If you wanna be royal family, I treat you like my queen.
Everybody outside when I pull up outside all night though. Everybody high five, everybody wanna smile, everybody wanna lie, that's nice though. Oh, now you wanna chill, oh, now you wanna build, oh, now you got the bill, that's cool though. Oh, now you got the gas, oh, now you wanna laugh, oh, now you need a cab, that's true though.
All you do is talk, I ain't got shit to say. Can't no one get in my car, I don't even valet.
Long discussions, oh, you my cousin? No, you wasn't, you just wanna ride. You just wanna talk about politics, Chicago shit, and rocket shit. Shut up, start dancing, ho.
All night I've been chicken, 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 all night I've been chicken,
You just wanna spill fries on the seat, Sprite on the seat, come ride on the seat. Last girl, she a lie on the seat, she a fart on the seat, now she jogging the streets. I don't trust no one, thinking like a fan, asking for a pic. You should use your phone, call a Uber, you a goofy if you think I don't know you need a lift. Is you or is you ain't got gas money? No IOUs or debit cards, I need cash money. So back up, I need space now. I need you to slow it down, it's not a race now. I can't really hear what you gotta say now. Shut up.
see.
She wants to move, but you're hogging her, you're guarding her. She wants to move, but you're hogging her, you're guarding her. Beat it, lift her, it's your girl, she loves it.
I can see it in her eyes, she
hope this lasts forever. Hey! Hey!
but they ain't got nothing on me. Because I'm 5'2", I wanna dance with you, and I'm sophisticated fun. I get feeling me on, and I'm nice and young. Best believe I'm number one.
This right here is my sway.
so sexy. Yellow diamond shawty in that club, straight flexing. I'm looking for a yellow bone, long hair star. Thick in the hips, come get in my car. So your party with a star. You take off and go to Mars. Pretty boy, take off in 5, 4, 3.
Can you keep up? Baby boy, lose my breath. Bring me down, make me 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 lose my breath. Hit me hard, make me lose my. Can you keep up? Baby boy, lose my breath. Bring me down, make me lose my breath. Hit me hard, make me lose my. Can you keep up? Baby boy, lose my breath. Bring me down, make me lose my breath. Hit me hard, make me lose my. Normally, could keep my cool, but tonight I'm wildin'. I'ma be in a dangerous mood. Can you match my timing? Telling me that you're ready about it, what you're hiding. Talk is cheap. Show me that you understand how I like it. Can you blow my mind? Set up my whole body. If I give you my time, can you set my soul running? I don't wanna wait. Don't take me where I ain't been before. Can you blow my mind? Set up my whole body. Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath. She's so She's so persuasive, that marijuana. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be so persuasive, that marijuana? She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be? Feel like the feeling of a suppress. Feel like I got no breasts. Feel like I need it. Rest. Feel it's the season I should let go, and that's the reason I'm about more. Feel it's the season I should fly so low. I'm so sedated, and she's so persuasive. This isolation, so sweet you could taste it. Bake in the morning, moonlight y'all be yawning. It's 3 in the morning, and I'm still performing. She's so persuasive, that marijuana. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be so persuasive, that marijuana? She's so flirtatious. Keep it on. You. She's so How does it feel to be? If it's weed on sight, then it's all okay. Moves alright if we all getting paid. Rocks on fire and we all too high to be not okay, to be not okay. All night long going all damn day. 99 holes bed all them days. Sun gon' shine and they all gon' grind till they look at fade.
I just went by the watch with a whole lot of diamonds to show how these niggas is my time. Took a trip out to Cali to hang with the crew, make a plan, get high, fit Zaza. I say R.P. Kobe, a nigga so fly when I fall out, fuck around skydive. So much chicken on me, could've went by the Williams, the Rudies, the big ass Popeye. In a whole different bracket, this life is immaculate. If you hit me for both, then you know that I'm I'm taxing. Keep buying clothes, that shit still in the package. If he say that he robbed me, he capping me. Really no niggas throw sevens like Captain me. You not blind and you see that we have it. Known in my city, so no, I'm not average. Came a long way from dope in the can. Niggas know that I still in the gang that I rep. Went to Solomon, I out the 10 for 600 on all our neck. Paid the full like Mitch. Really having this shit. Got out that stuff, started rapping, and 6 months later I preach. Nigga know I'm a stepper, I step with some elegant. All these niggas I'm with is some fellas, and rap with a foe, so I hope that you ever see. If they spin, make them wish that they never spin. Most of these niggas is how they be telling me. Man, I'm finna take over, I'm stamping. How you bang this hit, they selling ain't real shit. Left your dog in that rain and ain't helping.
Can I get my thrills?
You know you want some more, girl, so come on.
Can I get my thrills?
You know you want some more, girl, so come on. Let's get low. Let's get low. Let's get
Yes, sir.
If I got it, I'ma give it to you. If I got it, I'ma give it to you. If I got it, I'ma give it to you. You know. If I got it, I'ma give it to you. If I got it, I'ma give it to you. If I got it, I'ma give it to you. You know. If I got it, I'ma give it to you. If I got it, I'ma give it to you. If I got it, I'ma give it to you. You know. If I got it, I'ma give it to you. If I got it, I'ma give it to you. If I got it, I'ma give it to you. You know.
Two-step with me, let's slip to the dance floor. On and on and on and on we go. Two-step with me, two-step with me. On and on and on.
Yes, sir.
Two-step with me, let's slip to the dance floor. On and on and on and on we go. Two-step with me, two-step with me. On and on and on.
Yes, sir.
Two-step with me, step with me, step with me. Two-step with me, step with me, step with me. Two-step with me, step with me, step with me. Two-step with me, step with me, step with me.
Yes, sir.
Two-step with me, step with me, step with me. Two-step with me, step with me, step with me.
Yeah. 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 Who the jiggy nigga with the gold link? I mean, reminiscing about my old day. 3-6 sucker nigga dick, no foreplay. All day, booming out the trap through the hallway. Tell me what you niggas know about. Auntie saying turn it down, or she finna call the cops. We been plotting on the op, she the one who got the drop. Just a free quick fix to the and it's okay. They gon' take me back to my old ways. I was trying to chill, pop the sales ever since I got a deal. Kicking with my model chick, tick this. Fuck niggas wanna diss, now I gotta let them know it's really trill. Lord pretty flock with Jordy. Dirty fuck niggas, how you been? Catching 9 miles, niggas fuck round every now and then. On the south, giving south 9. Yeah.
Fine, fine,
always, from way back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, OT, there's never much love when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray. That's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. And guidance, all that I'm wishing for my friends. Nobody makes it from my ends. I had to bust up the silence. You know you gotta stick by me. Soon as you see the text, reply me. I don't wanna spend time fighting. We got no time, and that's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me.
Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. Just do it, do it, do it, do it, do it now. Lick it good, suck this pussy just like you should. Right now, lick it good, suck this pussy just like you should. My neck, my back, lick my pussy and my crack. My neck, my back, lick my pussy and my crack. My neck, my back, lick my pussy and my crack. My neck, my back, lick my pussy and my crack. Put the paper in a picture like a diorama. Gotta face a lot of people that are opposite. Cause the world told me we ain't got that common sense. Gotta prove it to myself that I'm on top of shit. And you would never know a guy without a goddess is honest. Fucking honest, kidding, I could be on everything. I mean, I could be the leader, head of all the states. I could smile and jiggle it till his pockets empty. I could be the CEO, just like a Robin Fenty. And I'ma be there for you cause you on my team, girl. Don't ever think you ain't hell of these niggas' dream, girl. They wanna pit us against each other when we succeed. For no reasons, they wanna see us end up like we were Gina or Mean Girl. Princess or queen, tomboy or king. You've heard of that, you've never seen. Mother Earth, Mother Mary, rise to the top. Divine feminine, I'm feminine. Let me be your woman. I can be your woman. Let me be your woman. I can be your
Okay, I love these girls in the city, but they keep me stressed. Cause AKL girls love being in the rain. They so shy about it, don't lie about it. We gon' keep going back and forth. Why don't we just talk, baby? I love these girls in the city, it's a gift and curse. Cause AKL girls love getting on my nerves. They so shy about it, don't lie about it. They always playing games, but I can't even complain. I love when you, love when you, love when you do that. I love when you, love when you, love when you do that. I love when you, love when you, love when you do that. I love when you, love when you, love when you do that.
Cause she gives me thoughts I couldn't say to the Lord. Thoughts I might take to the morgue. My face to her back and her face to the wall. Risks I'll take and I'm taking them all. Had a girl from the shore, wasn't sure. Had one from the south, went south. Got one from the west, won a war. Haven't seen what the east side bout.
I heard the east side's cool, but the girls get dangerous. Dakota Kai, that wild behavior. Southside girls get loose on Saturday, but Sundays for their Lord and Savior. Cool. Out west with the pretty girl stoners. Central with the fly personas. And I know that the show's got more, so I'll cross that bridge in a moment, man.
I love these girls in the city, it's a gift and curse. Cause AKL girls love getting on my nerves. They so sly about it, don't lie about it. They always playing games, but I can't even complain. I love when you, love when you, love when you do that. I love when you, love when you, love when you do that. I love when you, love when you, love when you do that. I love when you, love when you, love when you do that.
So what you want from me? I don't want drama, don't come for me. You should only do that when you under me. Is it really worth it? I've been wondering. So what you want from me? Tryna act like you ain't got love for me. Just when I think that you had enough for me, you turn around and just run to me.
So what you want from me? I don't need calms, just company. I don't see wrong and you under me. Is it really worth it? I've been wondering. So what you want from me? I don't want war, but you wanting me. Won't pick up your call, but you pick up the soul. Go to war for me, and go to war for me.
I love when you, love when you, love when you do that. I love when you, love when you, love when you do that. I love when you, love when you, love when you do that. I love when you, love when you, love when you do that. I love when you, love when you, love when you do that. I love when you, love when you, love when you do that. I love when you, love when you, love when you do that. I love when you, love when you, love when you do that. That's the way I like it. 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 Will you take me always wanted to get into a band to sing my songs and then become a bad piano playing man. So here I am in this Hollywood city, the city of the stars, movies, women, and cars. Well, I guess I'll stop. Say, hey, 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 what you got to say? Say, hey, 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 what you got to say?
Don't you know I'm walking away? Now I'm in my own space. Baby, you know I ain't waiting for you. And if you don't want me to stay, only one thing to say. Baby, you know I ain't waiting for you. Want me to stay? No, I ain't waiting for you. Want me to stay? No, I ain't waiting for you.
Big beast when it comes to the lyrics. Me, I do this thing on the mic with no gimmicks. Came a long way, I was serving in those civics. And you were trying to keep me from winning, but I did it, I did it. Ask about me, I did it. Let man stay on my sofa, I did it. Busting my watch and my choker, I did it. I kept a straight face in this poker, I did it. Look, rest assured man's got you. If life's weighing you down, then I'll spot you. Water you, show you sun, never block you. If no one's backing your beef, then I've got to. Yeah, back your beef, that's my job. Just ride for me, don't write off. I got your back hold tight when you climb on. I've always been a real nigga to rely on.